Hi everyone, it's Sergi, and I wanted to upload this video just to explain a bit the grammar in the PDF I've sent you with the email. Um, so let's do it. You will see it very easy. And before starting with the exercises I sent you, um, it's good that you spend 10, 15, 20 minutes understanding how to use the past simple and past continuous. Okay, this is the grammar in unit 8 in your books in case you want to check. So I put two examples, okay, sentence number 1 and sentence number 2, using both the past simple and the past continuous. Okay, sentence number 1 says, when I woke up this morning it was snowing. Okay, and in number 2, I was sleeping when you called me. So as you can see, I've colored in red and green two different verb tenses that you should know at least which one is the past simple. So then you should know then which one is the other one, which is the past continuous. So here you have the answer. Maybe you have guessed, or maybe you were wrong. So past simple is the one in green. In these two cases, we have woke up. Okay, in this case, this is a verb made of two words. And then called. Okay, called is also past simple. Call is a regular verb, so this is why we add ed. And wake is irregular verb, so you have to go to the list we've been studying, and you will know that if you go to the second column, which corresponds to the past, you will see that the past of wake is woke. Okay, then the past continuous is in red. As you can see, an easy difference between past simple and past continuous is past simple usually one word, and past continuous has two words, was or were, and the verb in ing. Okay, the gerund, we call it in English the gerund. Okay, so after watching this, I have written here the definition, or when we can use these two verb tenses. Past simple is for a particular moment, an action that happens let's say at 1 second. Okay, um we often, or we usually use the word when we use the past simple. When I woke up, okay, that in Spanish would be cuando me levanté. Okay, so always after when, we're going to use the past simple. Okay, woke up in this case. Then the past continuous, as I told you, you have to use the verb to be in the past, which is was or were, depending on the subject, and then the verb ending in ing. Okay, eating, reading, jumping, whatever. Okay, when do we use the past continuous? For a background means fondo in Spanish, for a background action or to describe a situation over a period of time. So past simple is just 1 second or 1 millisecond, and then the past continuous is a long time. If we used when for the past simple, then we're going to use while for the past continuous. So always after while, you will see the past continuous. While I was eating in Spanish would be mientras estaba comiendo. Okay. So after having seen this, let's translate both sentences. When I woke up this morning, it was snowing. Cuando me levanté, that would be the woke up, past simple. Esta mañana estaba lloviendo. Pues, well, this is incorrect because actually it should be nevando, okay. Sorry. And so here, as a reminder for you, I put me levanté happens at a particular moment. It is una acción puntual, okay? But estaba lloviendo is an action over a period of time. An action that hasn't finished. Una acción que no está acabada, ¿sí? Estaba nevando, okay? Exactly the same with the second example. I was sleeping when you called me. I was sleeping. Here the order is different. We find first the past continuous. I was sleeping. Estaba durmiendo. Was, estaba, sleeping, durmiendo. You see two words, okay? When you called me, cuando me llamaste. One word, one word. This is past simple. And the same. Llamaste happens at a particular moment. Acción puntual. But estaba durmiendo is an action over a period of time. Acción que dura un tiempo y no está acabada. Okay? The negative and the interrogative form of these verbs, which is maybe the most difficult part for you, even though I say here it's pretty easy. So in case of the past simple, just a reminder, because we have studied a lot the past simple, I've put the same verb, okay? I woke up, which is in the affirmative. I didn't wake up, remember, we use did not or didn't, and then we use the verb in the present, because with this, we're already saying that the action is in the past, okay? And in the question, did I wake up? This is something that maybe I ask to myself. Did I wake up at 8 or at 9? Okay? Careful, and I put it here, look at the order of the words, because did I, okay, it's exactly the opposite order of I did not wake up. Okay? First did, then the subject, and then the verb, always in the present, because again, we have did, which is telling me that the action is in the past. In Spanish, me levanté, no me levanté, and me levanté would be the question. Okay, I put here the reminder that the verb, as I explained, this verb after did, didn't, and in the question has to be in the infinitive, the first column, okay, of the verb. And finally the same for the past continuous. I was sleeping, which is the affirmative. I was not sleeping, or I wasn't. And then again I have to change the order. I was, it changes into was I sleeping. In Spanish would be estaba durmiendo, no estaba durmiendo, or estaba durmiendo in a question, okay? And remember that was is used with I, he, she, it, or where. We use it for you, we, and they. Okay, I write two examples more that you will not find them in the paper, but just for you to understand. For example, while, if I want to start with while, okay? While, remember, always needs the past continuous. So, for example, while she was sleeping, the phone rang, okay? While she was sleeping, this would be the past continuous, and rang, this is the past. Mientras ella estaba durmiendo, el teléfono sonó, okay? Rang is an action that happens at a particular time, but on the other side, was sleeping is an action that is not finished, okay? And for example, another one, when I looked through the window, when, always remember, if we go to this grammar I put you, when always need the past simple, okay? So when I looked, look is a regular verb, so we need to add only ed. When I looked through the window, For example, the sun was shining. Cuando miré por la ventana o a través de la ventana, el sol estaba brillando. Okay. I haven't put it, but we can use in the same sentence the same verb tense. For example, while she was sleeping, I was running in the park. Mientras ella estaba durmiendo, yo estaba corriendo en el parque. Or we can use to express a sequence of events. For example, I looked through the window, then I had a shower. Miré por la ventana, looked through the window, then I had a shower. Me duché, ¿vale? We need had, which is the past verb of have. Okay. So that's it. I hope you have understood everything. As always, if you have questions, just let me know. Okay. Bye bye.